In a world where AI is evolving faster than ever, realistic video generators are becoming so powerful that it's getting harder to tell what's real and what's AI. But there's a problem. Most tools that create ultra-realistic AI videos and images cost hundreds of dollars. But what if I told you there are completely free, open-source AI video generators that can create insanely realistic results? Make sure you watch until the end, because some of these tools might completely change the way you create videos. Before we jump in, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join my Discord server. All the links will be in the description. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So this is the first AI tool I'm going to be showing you today, and right from the very first moment you open the page, you can see that this AI tool has an absolutely massive library of models for you to choose from. And when I say a lot, I really do mean a huge variety. There's basically something here for every single creative project you can imagine. Honestly, this tool is really astonishing because of how consistently it generates such incredibly realistic images and high-fidelity videos. Over the course of this video, I'm going to be walking you through the absolute best free image and video generators currently available on the market. And the quality is only going to get better and more impressive as we move further along in the video. For this demo, I'm gonna upload an image of my choice. Let's go with this specific photo right here. While that's finishing the upload process, I'll type in a simple, straightforward prompt. I'm gonna say, change her hair color to blonde, and send that over to the server. Now, as you can see in the initial image, she has black hair and the overall look of the photo is already very realistic. Let's see how this AI tool handles our specific request. It's working on editing the image now, and in no time at all, the result is ready. It handled our request really well. As you can see, the shadows, the lighting, and the overall texture look exactly the same as the original, making the whole thing feel incredibly realistic. Honestly, this AI tool is really the best in its class. And I don't know if you've noticed yet, but if you look around the interface, you can't see any section where it mentions credits or tokens. I really have to emphasize that this AI is completely free and totally unlimited for me and you to use whenever we want. I'll be putting the link for this tool in my Discord server, so make sure to join. That the link is waiting for you in my bio. Moving on to the second platform on our list. Now, this AI platform is truly a beast when it comes to high-end image and video generation, and honestly, I'm surprised more people aren't talking about this one yet. This tool is basically an all-in-one AI hub, which features and hosts most of the best open-source image and video generators, text-to-speech tools, and many more powerful features. The first thing you want to do when you click the link is to head over to the Spaces tab. This is the area that harbors all the different models, but specifically, what we're looking for in this video today is the video generation section. So, just hover over the video generation option and click on it. You'll be headed over to this interface, and this AI tool hosts some of the most realistic video generators out there for you to use right now. If you look around the menu, you can see that some of these models are established favorites, and some of them are brand new. Some were updated just 4 days ago, or even as recently as 21 hours ago. This is just to show you that this AI platform is constantly updating its database to stay current. The video generator we're going to be focusing on today is this specific one right here. Once you click on it, you'll be loaded into this interface, which features both an image-to-video generator and a text-to-video generator. If you click right here and type in a simple prompt, let's go with dog running in the park, like this, you can increase the video length to your liking, and then hit generate. Now, keep in mind that the generation process may take a little bit of time depending on how loaded the server is at the moment. This is because, once again, you're using a shared model, which means there are thousands of people using it at the exact same time as you. Our video is being generated now, and if you don't want to deal with these long wait times, you actually have the option to set this up directly on your own device using Comfy UI or other hosting platforms. But for most people, the website is perfectly fine and completely free to use. If you head back to the main menu and scroll down, this particular model right here is also really impressive. This is the LTX2 Turbo. It has several different features to play with, and if you want to download this straight to your device to run it locally, you can just click right here on the model page. The developers have actually put down all the file codes and instructions you need to get it set up and running on your own hardware. So yeah, make sure to check that out if you have the specs for it. Now for the next AI tool on our list. This AI interface is actually in Chinese, and while you might try switching the settings to English, sometimes the translation just doesn't kick in. But don't worry about that at all, because the interface is designed well enough that it isn't really confusing to navigate. Right here, we're looking at the text-to-video feature. All you have to do is clear out this text box, type in your specific prompt, and send it over. Our video is being generated as we speak, and in no time, the final result is ready. Let's take a look. The AI tool has handled our generation really realistically. As you can see, there is no weird morphing or strange distortion in the movement. It's just pure, clean video generation. And once again, just like the others we've discussed, this AI tool is truly 100% free for me and you to use. You can simply click right here to download the video straight to your device. Now for the very last AI tool I'm going to be showing you, which is this one right here. Honestly, this platform is truly a beast. If you look at my account here, you can see I have exactly 0 credits, which I'm showing you just to prove that I'm not lying. You can absolutely use this for completely free. The main thing I want to test out here is the video generator. But if you hover over the icon, you can see it says coming soon. Now, this doesn't actually mean that it's not available for you to use yet. It is available, it's just tucked away and hidden from the main menu. If you stay tuned and watch until the very end, I'm going to show you exactly how you can access this incredibly realistic video generator right now. What we want to do is create a brand new tab in our browser and head over to the Google Extension Store. Once you're here, search for a VPN. Usually, most VPNs will work with this trick, but I personally recommend going with Urban Proxy VPN because it works really well and it's completely free. Just click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. And remember, this isn't some kind of dangerous hack. It's just a clever exploit that is perfectly fine to use. Once our VPN has been added, just hover over your extensions and click on it. I recommend connecting to specific countries like Nigeria, Kenya, or Singapore to get this to work. For this demo, I'm going to be going with Singapore. Just hit connect, and just like that, the VPN is active. Now, this next part is very important. Make sure to sign out of your current account. When you go to sign back in, make sure you use a completely fresh new email address. This is so the website processes you as a brand new customer and applies the settings for the region we selected on the VPN. Once you're signed back in with the new account, if you hover over the menu here, you can see that you now have the ability to use the AI video feature. Let's select it and type in a prompt. I'll say, dog running in the street once again, and then hit generate. Give it just a minute to process. And it's ready. Let's take a look at the final result. The video quality is great. There's no weird morphing or glitches, and it adhered to the prompt very realistically. If you ever run out of credits on one account, you can easily just log out and sign into a new one to keep going. All the links to every AI tool we used in this video will be available in my Discord server, so make sure you join that right now to get the free PDF with all the details.